Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download, install, launch and use the Threads app. The Threads app is an Instagram app. So guys, if you want to know more about this app, make sure you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Wow guys, this app you're about to download and install into your phone is a world record breaking app. The Threads app broke the record of becoming the fastest growing app ever, gaining over 100 million followers in less than a week. Precisely in 4 days, in less than 5 days, it has gotten over 100 million users. This app was launched on Wednesday, the 5th of July 2023. Ever since this app was launched, it has been setting records for user growth, with celebrities, politicians and other newsmakers joining the platform, which has been seen by analysts as the first ever serious threat to Elon Musk's owned Twitter. This new record by the Threads app was previously held by ChatGPT. Threads app hit 100 million users, becoming easily the fastest growing app ever. It was able to do this in 4 days. It took Instagram 30 months to reach 100 million users. It took TikTok 9 months to reach the 100 million mark. It took ChatGPT 60 days to reach the 100 million mark. It took Uber 70 months to reach the 100 million mark. But Threads app was able to reach these 100 million users in just less than 5 days. So guys, that was a little introduction of the app. Let's go back to what this video was actually meant for. Let me show you guys how you can actually download, install and use this Threads app. For you to actually download this app, first of all, you have to go over to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go over to your App Store, go over to your Play Store, then you search for Threads, or you can search for Threads, an Instagram app. Whichever you search for, it is going to give you the required result. So let me search for Threads. So guys, you can see the app there is at the top. So what you have to do is to tap on it, then you download the app. Once it's done downloading, you install and you open. So guys, let me take you through the process. So guys, as you can see now, our app is installing. So guys, once the Threads app is done installing, you tap on enable, then you tap on open. So guys, if you're opening the app for the first time, this is what you're going to see. You can see the logo of the Threads app. You can see it there, and it's also a Meta product, just like you have Instagram, WhatsApp and Facebook. So guys, let's wait for it to load up. So guys, here we are. This is the first interface you're going to see if you're installing and launching the app for the first time. So guys, as you can see now, our Instagram account has been imported here. You can actually log in into this app using your Instagram account. Let's tap on it. You can see get ready. So guys, here is your profile. You can customize your Threads profile here. So guys, you can go ahead to add your name, add the bio and also add the link, maybe your website link or your affiliate link, or you can decide to import from Instagram, to import all your profile details from your Instagram. So you can use your Instagram profile details here. All you have to do is to tap on import from Instagram. You can see there. So let me tap on it. I don't want to fill in the names, the bio and the links. I want to import all of my links, my name and bio from Instagram. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, that's our Instagram profile details. So tap on continue. So guys, this is where you make your privacy setting. You can decide to make your account public or you can decide to make it private. So I want to leave it on public. Let me tap on continue. So guys, here you're asked if you want to follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram. If you want to follow all the accounts that you're following on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on the follow all button below. You can see there, tap on it, or you can decide to follow all of them individually. You can see what I'm doing. You can decide to follow all of them individually. You can also search out the name of any person that you want to actually follow on the Threads app. You can search for them. So guys, I will choose the follow all option. I want to follow all the people that I'm following on Instagram. So I will tap on follow all. Tap on follow all. So guys, if you have the time, you can go ahead to read through all this. This will tell you how the Threads work, how the Threads app work. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on join thread. You can see it there below. Tap on it. Wow guys, you can see now we've launched our Thread app. Wow, this is so amazing. You can see I'm already seeing the post of those persons that I follow on Instagram. This is so amazing. So guys, this is how you actually download, install and launch your Threads app. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.